All right, really nice day out there, and then these little showers are popping up for some folks right now.
This is very summery, though.
Yes, this is what we expect.
Okay, nice day, and then some thunderstorms in the afternoon. We can live with that. We do have a couple of stronger ones that I want to show you here that had a severe warning, and they just dropped it. And that makes sense because I was just saying I thought it was maybe not quite in the right location where that box was. This has been the best cell or line of cells in the state so far. Lewiston getting hit with some thunderstorms, and there's some flash flooding possibility here too because we have heavy rainfall. So the severe thunderstorm warning, oh, there you go. Look at that. They put it just south. I love when that happens. Just south of where I thought that it should be, into Lewiston, and that's where the heavier stuff is. So hail, a possibility there, and also some straight line winds. We have another cell down here that's been pretty persistent. It blew up out of nowhere, crossing over the border, and now it's moving through into Kennebunk and Arundel and into the beaches here. So there's just a lot of lightning involved in that. It is a non-severe thunderstorm, though, at this time. So hour by hour forecast, we have another couple of hours for things to pop up, but by 9 o'clock, we're pretty much done with these thunderstorms, the significant ones at least, and things settle down to partly cloudy overnight tonight. And then by tomorrow, we've got a beautiful day. It is a top 10 summer day. It's 80 to 85 degrees. There's very few showers. Almost everyone stays dry, and it's just pleasant. The only thing is it will be sticky. That's worth noting, but that's kind of how summer goes sometimes, right? Getting really humid into Thursday, and then we see an increase in clouds. And Thursday, we have what's considered a conditional instability severe risk. Sounds complicated. Not that complicated. What it really means is the severity of our storms will largely depend on how much destabilizing sun we can get through the first half of the day. So the more sun we get, the warmer it gets, the stronger these storms will come through in the afternoon. And I think we have a pretty good chance of severe storms, if not an outbreak close to it over southern Maine with quite a few severe storms and maybe even a little rotation in some of those storms. So the SPC with the Storm Prediction Center in Oklahoma has put us in a level 2 risk. Doesn't seem like much until you realize that this is for the plains. It's not something you ever see in northern New England. Hey, we talked yesterday about the showers on Saturday. I was saying maybe I could take them out today, but I'm pessimistic because that's been our pattern, and there's been no reason to take them out. If anything, Saturday looks a little bit more showery than it did before. Ooh, I buried the lead on one day. Hot on Friday, upper 80s, low 90s, high dew points too. That'll be a really hot day. We should be able to get at least half the weekend, Brian, and that would be Sunday, mid 70s. It will be less humid, and we'll see that into next week. I think if you don't like the humidity, next week will actually be a welcome change, 70s and lower dew points.
I was going to say the overnight temps next week already look like a drop there.
And that's a telltale sign. If you've got high humidity, you can't drop much overnight.
The science guy
I know
over
you're paying
here.
attention, Brian.
This is good. All right, Keith, thanks so much.